This week's theme is Mad About Plaid.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you came over here from the other ladies' channels or you're just new and found me through YouTube, thank you very much for joining me. I hope you like what you see, and if you do, please subscribe to this channel. It's a small channel, but I'm trying to get it to grow. We'll see what happens. Anyway, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. So this week's YouTuber's nail art stamping collab is going to be Mad About Plaid, and that was chosen by Handy Helper. Cute, looks like flannel shirts, doesn't it? Oh yeah, I'm liking them. Blue is a little off, but because it's so dark. So we're going to take these rainbow nails and turn them into flannel shirts. At least I hope so. So let me go off, gather my supplies, everything that I need, and I will be back and show you what we're using. Ajubis Plate EJB07, Sally Hansen Insta-Dry, Dandelion, Sally Hansen Insta-Dry Sunset Orange, and these are all the Crayola collection. Sally Hansen Granny Smith Apple, Sally Hansen Wild Strawberry, Sally Hansen Denim. I will be stamping with Korner Black. I'll be topping everything off with Glisten and Glow, and I will be using Queen latex tape around my cuticles. Okay, so the very first one we're going to use is this one here. I'm going to put that on my thumb. My latex is dried. So, oh, I forgot to open that. Goodness me. Squeaky, squeaky. So I'll be using my Bundle Monster scraper and my Queen stamper. All right. So we'll add our polish. Do a nice scrape and pick up. And that picked up pretty nicely. And I'm going to put that right on my thumb. There we go. Okay. Next, I know I should probably just be doing this quickly, but I like to show you how I lay it down and then, pick it up. So sometimes we have trouble and sometimes we don't. So the next one will be this one here. I'm going to put this one on my ring finger. And it came out okay. I'm not liking it, so I'm going to redo it. Excuse me. I'm still getting over this cold. It's crazy. I know it's like flu season. People are getting sick. Oh, not good. Let's try this again. Sometimes you have to plop it down. Oh, that was even worse. Oh, Lord. I'll try it one more time. Anyway, sometimes you have to plop it down and sometimes rolling is better. So if you get a pickup that you don't like, remember what you did to get it and then don't do it the next time. That's what I always say. And then I end up doing it the same way. So let's try this again. A nice light flick, much better. And I will put that right here. Yeah, you're probably hearing my dogs. Flower, flower. Thank you. She doesn't care. She doesn't care. The next one we will be using will be the one up here in the corner. This is a really nice plate for their plaids. It's just really pretty. The pickup is really nice. It's etched very well. Most Ajubis plates are, and I think that's how you say that, but I don't know. We'll see. And that picked up pretty well. Try to get that in the center as best I can. Oh, and I'm way off, but that's okay. It's working. Ay, stuck. Wait. All right, I'm going to take this off. I just use my fingers. Nobody got time to get the tweezers out. I don't anyway. Okay. I don't know why I say that. They're sitting right next to me, but that's all right. Then we're going to use this one and then this one. Okay, let's get to crack-a-lackin' here. I'm going to push these out a little bit differently. I don't want to get too much on that one. Oops, I don't know if that one's going to work or not. Let's see. Oh, it came out crappy. Oh, it's much easier to do this when you're not on camera, I promise. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, let's try this again. This is really pigmented. This black is very, very pigmented. Oh, I like it. It's pretty new to me. All right, that was a much better scrape. Do a quick flick of the wrist. Much better. I'll put that right here. Oh, I have a little bit of a boo-boo in there, but I think I can live with that. Not all plaid is perfect, right? So we'll hit this last one, and then we'll be good to go. This time I'm going to scrape it to the right. And much better. Okay. I'll put that right there. Came out nice. All right, so I'm going to go off. Excuse me, I will clean these up. If you want to see how I do my cleanup in future videos, leave a comment below. Turned out pretty cute. It does remind me of flannel shirts. All right, so I'm going to go off. I'll finish cleaning up, and then I will be back to end this video. Okay, so I am back, and I have everything cleaned up, so I'm going to go ahead and top this with Glistening Glow's top coat. Again, if you came over from the other ladies' channels, thank you very much. I will have their pictures at the end of this video, and their links to their channels will be in the description box below. If I get a chance, I will put the polishes and such that I used in here, but I think I showed them to you pretty well at the beginning, so I'm not going to, sweat it if I don't get to do that. But the links to the other ladies' channels will definitely be listed below. Sorry, it's getting late here, and my voice is getting just a little scratchy. Okay. All right. Oops, I smeared. I may redo that one, but not too bad. So thank you very, oh, and I get polish everywhere. So if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. And until next time, thank you so very much for watching. And as always, be kind and be creative.